It's almost that time, y'all. All the rest of the pieces are here. Got the front lip. I've already put it together. It's just 3 pieces that snap together. Got here. This isn't that universal one that turns. This is specifically for this car. So it snaps on there. Get the center piece and the other end piece. And I've got the easy splitters. With the fins and the spats for the rear. I wasn't sure how these were gonna look, but actually, once I locked them up on the car, they look pretty damn good actually. So the rear spats for the rear back bumper and quarter panel area, side skirt lips, and the front lip. So it's raining outside. It's a nasty day out today. She down there. You can't really see her. Anyway. Yeah, man, we got all of the trim pieces, all of the lip pieces are here. Just waiting on the weather to clear up a little bit. So we can put it on. It's all wet under there, so I would just do it under the carport, but I need to get a drill. And it's wet down there, man. I don't want to get on the ground. So yeah, we got the pieces. And the next update will be me either putting them on or post installation, but this is gonna look good on the car, man. Wing already on. It looks a little out of place right now because it's the only gloss black piece on the entire car. But it's gonna make sense when I put all of this on. This is really gonna tie everything together. And then all I'm gonna have to do is do the blackout kit on the grille and the window trim, and the whole car will be, and the trunk too, the little chrome delete on the trunk. But I mean, everything's gonna come together. This is gonna look good, man. I'm pretty satisfied with the price that I paid for this stuff. This is awesome for the price that I paid. I mean, it's not perfect. I wasn't expecting perfect, but I was honestly expecting it to be a little more off than it actually is, and a little less quality than it is. Kind of looks like this stuff might be like 3D printed or something. This is really big though. You need a big 3D printer for this. But nah, man, guys, like I said, this stuff is cheap, and I'm actually happy with how it came out. So we'll see how it comes out once we actually put it on the car. So far, so good, though.
Energy. I remember when I felt this type of energy, yeah, I was going through it like that. And I was about to go and bust a left, but something forced me to look right. And you was looking at me from afar with a smile that I wanna see. So when you follow me into the store, I just had to open up your door. And looking at your body, I'm just shaking my head as you ain't copping you a sweet. Then I wouldn't cop me a but you know just how I get. Then when you walk by, I ain't gonna lie, you made me feel like I'm strange. So I didn't wanna seem like I was lame. So I asked for your number and gave you my name, cause I felt your energy. Girl, I love the way it feels when you're next to me. Yeah, I feel it. Yeah, I feel it. I can feel your energy. It's like time stands still when you're next to me. Yeah, I feel it. Yeah, I feel it. Conversations has taken place, and I'm starting to love seeing your face. Our small talks, including your smile, make me wanna always be near you. Our little video chats when I'm out of town, you don't know how much that mean to me. And when you send me vids of you dancing, you got more than spidey senses tingling. And we lay up and watch TV. I roll up another 3P. Play in your hair and rub on your thighs until our lips finally get through. Now I rub your back as you rub my chest while your stomach's kiss, my head's caress. Your panties down and you say I'm blessed. And wait until it happen, what's next? I start licking your spots till your sprinkle come on. Try to stop but you say keep on. Climb on me and do that move, cause you always get to hear me. I lay you down and you get the leaking. From them back shots leave you screaming. We go morning to the evening. Every morning, every evening. We got beds breaking, dogs barking, ground shaking in this apartment. World spinning, wall crushing, back scratches while we make loving. Body sweating, biting, cussing, keeping all the neighbors fussing. That don't mean a thing to me, cause they can't understand. I feel like energy. Girl, I love the way it feels when you're next to me. Yeah, I feel it. Yeah, I feel it. I can feel your energy. It's like time stands still when you're next to me. Yeah, I feel it. Yeah, I feel it. I feel like Smeagol with his rings, like dope boy with a plate of wings. Ain't no A-Marie when it's you and me, cause it's more than just one thing. I just look into your eyes, then I start to realize. Anytime I start to feel empty, I can depend on you when I need your energy. I fiend for your energy. This world is killing me. With you, girl, I don't feel a thing, baby.
Alright guys, so update on the Q50. As you can see, the lip is not on. The side skirts are not on. The wing is on. The back rear bumper spats are not on either side. And man, story of that. I was trying to hurry up and rush to get to a meet after I installed it. And made it to the meet and everything, but I did not make it to the meet with the freaking lip, bro. I ran that joint over the first day I installed it. Good thing it was cheap. You know what I'm saying? Learning lesson, man. I was being a little impatient. And when I installed all the lip pieces, I installed it with just the double-sided tape. And I kind of said the whole like, I'll put the screws in later just to secure it more. Because, I mean, it seemed like it was really on there, to be honest with you, when I did it with just the double-sided tape. But, man, that's a learning experience for me, man. Do it right. You know what I'm saying? I've been through that. Do it right the first time, and you might have to do it over. But, my first time messing with this car with the lips and stuff like that. It's actually my first time messing with an eBay lip, period. So, like I said, you know, you live and you learn, man. But it's just kind of funny, dog, because I spent all that time, man, putting this stuff on, and literally within like 2 days, it was all gone. I didn't lose all of it. I actually did still have some of the pieces on, but I took it off because, I mean, it was tacky as hell. So I do still got some remaining. Oh, for real? This truck is heavy, yo. So, do still have some of the pieces left. Like, I just took it off though, man, because it's like, what's the point of this being on, bro, if that's all I got on the car on one side, you know? But yeah, y'all. So, so far, the wing is doing great. The wing is doing good. But, yeah, y'all, man. So far, damn. All right, there we go. Yeah, so far, I'm kind of so-so on the eBay splitter, on the eBay front lip and the splitters. It's not bad quality, but it's also not like spot on quality, you know what I'm saying? You do kind of gotta, actually on the side skirts, I actually had to cut a little piece because they were too long. So that kind of tells me that they're honestly just universal and they just, you know, marketing it as if it's actually tailor-made for the car. And I honestly think that the front lip might have just been a bad mold, or also probably more so like a either the wrong lip or also a universal lip, because the fitment on the lip, damn, the lighting is terrible. So the fitment on the lip was just not how it was illustrated. Let me get into some shade so you guys can see better. Sorry about the lighting, y'all. All right, there we go. So yeah, the fitment just wasn't how it was illustrated, and it's kind of the way that the actual lip met up with the front bumper. It just wasn't quite matching up the same, but it looked good. It looked good. I didn't really get to. I don't think I really got any clips. So I think my phone was dead or something. You know, I didn't have no way of recording, so I don't think I got any clips of it actually on. But it's cool, man, because like I said, I'm gonna redo everything and I'm gonna reorder the pieces and I'm gonna do it right this time. You know what I'm saying? Because it definitely enhanced the look of the car, man, especially the front lip.
2,000 years later.
Alright, so here it is, y'all. This is the second revision of the front lip. This time I did it all the way right. Took my time with the installation. I didn't have nowhere to go. Oh man, I regret that, it was kind of like a spur of the moment thing when I installed it. So I didn't have my camera charged up, so I wasn't able to, do a time lapse. But this lip is actually a different lip than the first lip that I showed you guys. Same design. Sorry about my voice, y'all. Same design, same 3-piece design. But this one has the correct mold. So I was right that the mold on the last lip that I had was a universal mold. And it wasn't the actual specific mold for this car, for this model. This one, as you can see, has got the pieces that actually mold up perfectly to the body of the car. This was a cheap lip, y'all, but it really enhances the car. And I'm also going to give a little teaser of the blackout that I've done on the front. That's going to be a future episode. I'm a vinyl wrap the grill, so y'all kind of getting a little sneak peek of that. That's going to be future coming up, and also the little chrome piece under the fog light. But yeah, man, the lip looks pretty good. I just scratched that, man. It doesn't look pretty good. It looks really good. I'm being honest. So as promised, I'm gonna leave a link in the description for the lip. And I installed this using the double-sided tape, as well as I think I used like 12 screws, 14 screws, something like that. I can't really remember just exactly how many, but yeah, I used the screws and double-sided, 3M double-sided tape. So alright, y'all. This is an updated look of the Q. I know the drill, man. Like, comment, subscribe. Holla at your boy.